Okay. Eric, how are we doing here today? My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways on how we can guarantee that you're going to get more customers using your website and Google. All right, so together, this is going to be amazing. All right, I'm going to show you a couple minutes of your time. All right, this is not going to be a long video. I'm going to show you 3 ways. So we're going to do content, we're going to do citations, and we're going to do backlinks. So let's talk about content. Content is anything that's on your homepage, even what pictures are saved as. So I'm scrolling through your website. The homepage seems a little small. All right, we need more words on there. All right, that's something that Google likes to see. Walters Company Air Condition. That's actually really good. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Pictures saved as the business name. All right, keep that in mind. Second thing, citations. A citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. All right. Some businesses don't even need an address because they're service-based. They come to you, right? But as long as we have that, we're good. All right. We can put our citation. We can put our citation into directories like Facebook, Yelp. Those are pretty much websites that let businesses put their information in there. Okay, so Yellow Books does this. LinkedIn can do this. BBB. All right. What else? Off the top of my head, that's pretty much it. Let's get Google reviews up. We got to get way more Google reviews. Okay, so definitely hone in on that. All right, we need a lot of pictures. I'm not going to click on them right now, but get a lot of pictures of the work that you guys are doing and get reviews. Reviews help out so much. I can't stress that enough. All right, so when I typed in HVAC Albany, New York, Google guarantees pop up. They're way better than Google Ads because a lot of people have ad blockers on their device. All right, so we want to kind of stay away from ads. Good to have, but stay away from them. Get Google guaranteed. It's worth the investment. This is the Google Map Pack. All right, the businesses that are in here get the most calls. We need to get you into that Google Map Pack. So we need Google guarantees. We need to get in the Google Map Pack. All right, you guys need to get more reviews. When I'm scrolling down, businesses are going to start to pop up. My third and final topic I'm going to talk with you about today is backlinks. Okay, so backlinks are pretty much websites that have ads inside them that link directly to your website. Okay, that's going to bring in, again, more traffic, more customers, more people are going to know about your business, more people are going to know that you exist. Okay, that's what we're going for. We want to get you on that front page of Google, that first page of Google for your services in the service-based area. Okay, so wherever you guys go, Albany, Scotia, Schenectady, Colony, Latham, even if you went up to Clifton Park, all the way down to, I don't think you guys go to Kingston, but maybe half hour south, for example. You guys need to be ranking on the front page of Google, all right? We need to do this the right way. Super beneficial. Ahrefs, this website, I pay for this monthly. Okay, they pay Google for these numbers. Okay, so they're quite accurate. The URL rating, you guys have a 23 out of 100. All right, what does that mean? That's how much trust that Google has in your business. The domain rating is how much power that Google gives to your website. Okay, so you're sitting at a 3.1 out of 100, so we have a lot of work to do. All right, so referring domains, they're giving you 238 backlinks. All right, so not every backlink is created equally. There's a direct correlation between these numbers. All right. Since these backlinks are bad, it's keeping this number very low. All right. Organic traffic, you guys are bringing in 6 people are visiting your website monthly, according to Google. You guys are bringing in $12 using your website, according to Google. All right, so we got a lot of work to do there. All right, keywords, let's see what you're ranking for. Keywords are anything that anyone looks up on Google. Okay, so when we're thinking about this, what we're ranking for, we want to become first position for all keywords. It's almost impossible to do, but as many keywords as we can possibly get, we're going to rank first for. Okay. Volume is how many people search for it monthly. All right, so you guys are ranking for AC company. All right, we want to stay away from national keywords. We want more local, like HVAC, Albany, New York. Those are local keywords. All right, 200 people, extra 20, an extra 70, HVAC, Albany. If we're ranking first position for these, there's no doubt we get all these calls. No doubt. So an extra 300 extra customers. Think about what that could do for your business monthly. All right, that's going to help you guys out tremendously. All right, so that's why we need to start ranking for keywords. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple of competitors real quick. We got Family Dance here. All right, their website's okay. What I like to tell my clients when I'm building a website for them is we like to get 1,500 words on that front page. All right, again, so Google can start ranking you, get you on that front page of Google. All right, these are their numbers. They have a 34 and a 14. Okay, they have a lot of backlinks. I could tell that they're not good backlinks based on this number. It's very low. Okay, when I'm searching for good backlinks, I'm going to see what's working for your competitors. If I know it's working for them, it's going to work for you. All right, keywords, they're ranking for like 2,000 of them. I'm just going to click on them, see what's up. See how they're ranking first for their name, which is easier. HVAC, Albany, New York. Look at that. 200 people search for that monthly. They're first. So they're getting most of these calls right here. Let's check out Adams. All right, Adams has a little bit more words on their website. They have a 26 and a 16. All right, again, a lot of backlinks, not helping them out. They're bringing around $4,000 a month. 400 people visit their website. Their keywords, let's see. Adams. HVAC, Albany, New York, they're 6 for that. Heating and cooling, Albany, New York, they're 3rd. Heating and cooling, Schenectady, New York, they're 2nd. Okay. Extra 40 customers, extra 90, yeah. So do the numbers here. It's all going to add up, all right? So you need to be ranking for these keywords. We got to get you some healthy backlinks. A citation is definitely worth it, and good content. Okay, so we're doing all this together. I guarantee you close more customers. I guarantee it. All right, so let me know if you want to work together. All right, Eric, thank you for hopping on this call. Seven minutes with me here. This video, I should say. All right, very informative video. Okay, I got a lot of customers, some clients with me. A lot of these businesses that I'm talking to, they're seeing great numbers now. So they're super stoked about that. A lot of businesses are doing this now. All right, so think about it. Let me know if you want to work together. If not, that's totally fine, man. Take these free tips that I gave you today and run off with them. Do what you can. All right, I'm leaving this up on YouTube, okay, so you can constantly reference this video back, all right, if you're trying to learn something. All right, but you need to do this stuff, okay? This is super important. You can see your competition's already beating you in certain areas, okay? So we got a lot of work to do, okay? So don't totally blow this over. It's definitely worth it to know this information. I appreciate it. Again, I look forward to hearing from you. All right, have a good one.